In this video, I will be showing you how to create an org chart in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the home page and type landscape into the search bar to find a suitable format. I'll scroll down to the Documents section, click See All, and then select Create Blank to open a fresh A4 project. Once the editor loads, I'll head up to the Resize menu to change the orientation. I'll navigate to Custom Size and swap the width and height dimensions to 29.7 by 21 centimeters to make it landscape. After clicking Resize this design, my workspace is ready. Now, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for Organizational Chart. I'll browse through the graphics, select a colorful template, and then drag the corners to scale it up until it fills the page. To customize the chart, I'll click on the top box, add a text field, and type in CEO. Next, I'll select the box on the right and type Branch Manager. For the bottom tier, I'll add a new text box and type Subordinates. To keep things consistent, I'll copy and paste that text label into the remaining boxes. I'll make a few final adjustments to the placement to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. And that is the best method for creating a professional organizational chart in Canva.